In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work offline in Figma in the year 2025. If you've been using Figma, you probably know that it's an incredibly powerful collaborative design tool that usually requires an internet connection. However, there are times when you might find yourself without access to the internet, yet you still need to get work done. This is where working offline in Figma comes into play, and I'll guide you through the steps to ensure you can continue your projects without interruption. First, what you want to do is navigate to Figma's website. If you're already familiar with how to get there, bookmark it for quick access later on. Once you're on the Figma homepage, you'll notice an option to log in. Clicking on the login button takes you to a page where you can input your credentials. This step is essential because without logging in, you won't be able to access your projects. Next, after successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is where your recent projects and any shared designs will be visible. Spend a brief moment familiarizing yourself with this important landing page, as it's your central hub for all your design activities. Now, what you want to do is locate and click on the design section. This will take you into the design environment where you can view and edit your projects. From the design page, you need to open the main menu. The main menu is a key part of Figma's interface, located at the top left corner. When you click on it, you'll find various options, including those that help manage your files and settings. After opening the main menu, look for the File option. Clicking on this allows additional actions related to your project, similar to what you'd see in other design applications. Now, the crucial step involves creating a local copy of your project to work offline. Still within the File menu, look for the Save Local Copy option. By selecting this, Figma allows you to download a version of your project directly to your device. This is what will enable you to work without an internet connection. Remember, having a local copy means any changes you make won't automatically sync online until you re-establish a connection and manually update it. It's a good practice to regularly save your work and manage different versions, especially when working offline. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set up to work offline in Figma. Keep in mind that the ability to switch between online and offline seamlessly can enhance your productivity, irrespective of where you are. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in navigating Figma's offline capabilities.